Okay, so in this really short tutorial, I'm just going to show you one of the very most important types of equations we have, which is this percentage change formula. We're going to use this percentage change formula a lot. Why? Because the percentage change of prices we're going to define as inflation. Okay, percentage change of GDP is going to be our metric for growth, for economic growth. And we could look at all different types of percentage change formulas. Actually, a lot of things will be percentage change. So quickly, very quickly, I just want to write out the formula. So for any variable, I'll just call it variable x. Okay, we'll say that this is a time variable. I'll put a time subscript. That means this could be prices, x could be GDP, whatever it is, and it's observed at a certain period of time. That could be quarterly, yearly, monthly, doesn't really matter. Okay, so the formula will be to take the value at that time period, subtract it from the value from the previous time period. Okay, and then we're going to divide it by the value at the previous time period. That's our formula right there. It's really straightforward, but some of you might be scratching your heads when you see these type of variables. You might go, what's going on? So let's just take a really straightforward example and say that like x say this is this is 2001. We'll say that this is equal to 100. Let's call this a price index or something. And we'll say in 2002, the price index went up to 110. Now, just looking at this, can you tell me what the percentage change is from 100 to 110? I hope that that's very clear. That's a 10% increase. Now, just looking at this, look at this. We can look at this. So this will be time period t, and will be our time period before. See, time period before, time period after. You see? So working this out, we have 110 minus 100 over 100, which is equal to 0.1. Now, I like to leave it like this. Your book, actually, in Pearson, they like to use whole numbers for whatever reason. So the little Pearson trick that they'll have is they're going to multiply this by 100. So they'll take this formula and they'll go 100 times this amount. And that'll give you a whole number. If I multiply this by 100, so if I go times this by 100, which actually I never do, but if I were to multiply this by 100, this is equal to 10. Now we can write it as a percentage like that. I recognize fraction or decimals as a percentage. I think that they're much easier to work with just programmatically in a lot of other ways, so that's why I leave them there. But that's your percentage change formula. Hope it comes in handy. Like I said, you're going to need to use it throughout this book, and so there it is.